this video I will show you how to capture a film at a slower speed with audio and how to sync it afterwards to the correct speed. This is a film which has a correct playback speed of 24 fps. I will scan the film at 12 fps and afterwards I will use the software to resync at 24 fps. So I switch on the audio mode to dual. I've already set the folder where to store the audio. It's in the fdemo audio and then test. I will click pause. I will click start capture and I will click forward play. When the speed is at the correct setting, it will start with the capture. And we will also hear audio, but the audio is too slow. So what we will do is we will capture about 30 seconds of this film, and then we will use our software FF Transcode to sync the audio at 24 fps. And right now the playback audio is the live audio from the Pictor, and again the audio we store on the computer is a different format, a format what we can use to sync it. As you can see, the person in the film is talking right now, but the tone is extremely low. Maybe difficult to hear on this video, but I can hear that it's half the speed. So here in the software at the bottom I can see the counter, and I can see that it counts to 54, 55 seconds, 56, and I said I wanted to capture 1 minute, so I will stop the capture at 1 minute. So now we have a capture of the film, which I can show in the folder. It's on the capture this demo, and it's in the audio. I made multiple films, but it will be the one captured, the last one, test.4. This is an audio film without the audio captured. If you play the AVI, there is no audio in this film. You can see that it's only video. And that's because the audio is stored in a separate format. So we need to use FF Transcode to convert that audio. Just double click on FF Transcode and select the file you just scanned. We scanned a video file, it was an AVI. If it would be an image sequence, DPX or TIFF, you would select image sequence. So we'll go to the F drive, demo, and then in the audio, and it was the 4th capture. Okay, we want to force the video frame rate at 24 fps. And we do have an audio track. It recognizes that the audio track has the same name, test4 FF roll. In the output we can select multiple files. For now we'll just select an MP4, which would be an H.264 and MP4. And the audio codec is hard-coded in MP4, it can only be AAC. We have a manual of FF Transcode as well. If you want to read the manual, you can download it on our support page. I will change the name to Sync, and it will be stored in a folder which I can pre-select. I will just create a new folder, synced files. I want that to be stored in this folder. Okay, now I can add the job to the queue at the bottom part of the window, and it will be added, and I can start the queue. The first step is synchronizing the sound, and then it's transcoding the image into an MP4. This software is really nice because you can import all the files generated by the Pictor. In this case it's an AVI file, but if you have scanned a DPX or a TIFF file, you can capture in the 10-bit or 12-bit color space and transcode it into different formats. For example, your Apple ProRes, if the end user wants to continue his workflow on an Apple, where you can select different file formats. So this software can do more than syncing, it can also convert all your files into other files. I just like the MP4 for this demo because it's very efficient, and as you can see, this computer transcodes the audio and the video quite fast. Okay, so that's done. I can close the software. I can open the folder which I made synced files, and now I have an audio file where we both have the image and we do have the audio track. That's how simple it is to convert at a slower speed captured audio into the correct playback speed of the original film.